Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add a freeze effect on your video using VN Editor. I already prepared a video, this video, and for example, we can see the video. There's a lot of people that walking on the street, so I'll try to make these two people here. I'll try to make them freeze and stop moving, while the background still have a motion of moving. First, we need to freeze it by swiping left the toolbar and then click freeze button here. And after that, click forward. And after you finish, click forward. Try to adjust the length of the duration. For example, I will try to put it on 4 seconds maybe. And now you need to fill the frame like this, and after that we can see that this video is already been freeze, but we still need to make the background have a moving motion. Then we need to click mask and then click linear mask, and now you need to adjust the position of the mask onto vertical and put it near the object like this. After you finish doing it, click done. Now we can see the result. It will just look like this. If you're still not satisfied with the results, you can adjust it one more time by doing this. Duplicate the first frame and then click forward. Now you need to move this frame near the second frame that we freeze before, and after that click fill. And now you need to adjust the length of duration as same as the first frame, like this. And after that, we can see the result just by now. Sorry, let me adjust it one more time. And it should be look like this. Yeah, that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.